Hi everyone, welcome to ITS workshop. So I'm just trying to give you introduction, little warm up for the Python language itself. How does it looks like? So we have seen hello world, we have seen working with the numbers, we have seen little bit about string, little bit about list. We'll come to all these point separately also. Now let us see, why does Python support indentation instead of bracket? So in other language, if you are trying to work with other language, you might have seen that we have, suppose I'm trying to have my if else logic. Suppose name is equals to Raj. Yes. So what is length of name? Length of name is 3. Okay. So let us work with if else. So if else means if some condition is true. So if after if some condition is true, suppose I just say length of name equals to 3. So what is length of name equals to 3? Length of name is 3. Equals is used for comparison. So double equals. So length of name double equals to 3. So this results into true. So if something is true, then if it is other language, you'll go like this, go this bracket and then do something and then this bracket and then do something. You do like that. Yes. But in Python we don't have concept of these curly brackets. Yes. So if you are giving some logic, you need to give indentation after that. So if after that, instead of giving the bracket, we just give colon and then we come to the inner part of the logic. So the inner part of the logic will follow with indentation. So you can see here, so I'll have same. So instead of bracket we give colon, I just enter and I come to the next line. So in next line you can give one tab. So one tab is your indentation, or you can give 4 spaces, 1 2 3 4. You can give 4 spaces, any one of these. I like tab, so I'll go with the tab and I say, so if length of name equals to 3, do something. So do something is the inner part of my code, inner part of this if logic. So this is the if logic. The inner part is the next part, do something. If this is true, then do something, next part, which will come in indentation. So this space is known as indentation. So Python doesn't support bracket, it supports indentation. So you can give here some message, yes it is true, and you can execute. So yeah, this is true. That's why this first part of the if got executed. This is just the if part. Similarly, I can create else part with this. So how does a else part will, I'll just clear the screen. I start. So this is name is Raj, and this is our if logic. If length of name is true, then do something. So we give indentation, yes it is true. If it is not true, so there are two choices. If something is true, execute the first part of the logic. So first part of the logic with indentation. Else, then do something. So this also comes as inner part of the logic. So if you go into the inner part of the logic, then again you go with indentation, either for a space or one tab. So you can see I gave, so I'll give another message, no it's not true. So this is how if else looks like without bracket. So instead of using bracket here and here, we use indentation. So using indentation is the way for Python to understand that this is something inner part of the upper logic, this one logic. So if logic, and this is inner part. If I give more indentation, it means inner part, inner part. So if I give nested if else, then you give one more indentation like that. So we'll be checking out that example as well. So I just run it. So if you run it, you can see the output. Yes, it is true. Okay, so this is a typical if else looks like in Python. Suppose there is indentation and there is other inner part, so you can give double indentation. So suppose if this is true, I want to check it again. If this is true, then I want to check if name equals Raj, then I want to do something. So you see, inner part one indentation, inner part again, then two indentation, then you can give your print. Yes. So now you see, so we don't use bracket here, we use the combination of indentation. So one inner part, just one indentation. If this is inner, inside inner, you see, so what do I say, double inner, you can say whatever. So inside this logic, it means two indentation, then again three indentation, and so on. So indentation is the way for Python to understand that this is my inner part of the logic which we just started working upon. Okay, so if you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be happy to create more tutorials like this.